Put aside your knowledge of RVs. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. Here, a Ferrari's aggressive DNA coexists with the opulence of a five-star hotel. The outside is a marvel of aggressive aerodynamics, with a Y-motif, sharp lines, and a carbon fiber body. This shape helps it cut through the air thanks to a hybrid V12 engine that produces over 1,000 horsepower. It's not only a spectacle. This RV with a hypercar's heart demonstrates that speed and luxury can coexist with its amazing acceleration and quick torque. Once inside, the driver's cockpit is a symphony of performance and technology. The dashboard is a single, curved panel of carbon fiber and Alcantara that is solely focused on the driver. Your command center is a massive, curved OLED panel in the center that displays everything from speed and navigation to a 360-degree camera image of your surroundings. Physical buttons have essentially been replaced with haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can respond to all of your orders. This is not just a dash. This is the control panel of a starship of the future. The living space is where the true elegance is displayed. It features an open, spacious layout, clean lines, and a straightforward design. The finely stitched modular seats, which can be rearranged to create a formal dining room or a cozy lounge space, are adorned with Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery. With just a single touch, the smart glass technology on the panoramic roof can rapidly switch from transparent to opaque, giving you a stunning view of the night sky or privacy. The whole interior, including the temperature and sound system, is controlled by a single tablet. Your sanctuary is a king-sized bed that appears to hover, poised in space. The walls are made of soft Alcantara combined with ambient LED light strips that may change color to suit your mood. It's a tranquil sanctuary with a built-in entertainment system, separate storage areas, and window blinds that adjust their position automatically in reaction to the sun's rays. Here, isolated from the outside world, you may unwind and revitalize yourself. The spa-inspired bathroom is a sanctuary. The feeling of boundless grandeur is created by the use of marble-like composite materials for the walls and a smooth, translucent shower enclosure. While the modern sink is a simple work of art, the smart mirror has an embedded display that shows the news and the weather. Because of the adjustable lighting and ideal water pressure, you can always rely on a refreshing experience wherever you go. A camper's kitchen does not look like this. The space is a culinary marvel with its fully integrated equipment suite and motorized pop-out countertop. A concealed induction cooktop, a tiny convection oven, and an integrated espresso machine are skillfully camouflaged behind simple panels. The smart refrigerator that stores everything you need and the main tablet that controls the entire kitchen make cooking simple and futuristic.